Do you want to know how you can speed up any movie or series on Prime Video using your phone? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can speed up any movie or series on Prime Video from your phone. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Go ahead and open Prime Video, which is on your phone, and make sure that you have logged into your account. So go ahead and click on any of the movie or series of your choice. After you click it, pause the video and you can see the speed up options, the 10 options. If you click on it, your video will speed up and it will go 10 seconds further. You can also go 10 seconds back and rewind the special scenario which you wanted to watch. So guys, this is how you speed up your Prime Video on your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.